You ready? Let's go, 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 guys. How many hits are we playing? This is why I can't wear these gloves.
You're not hitting anything.
I don't know. Hey, Chuck, don't let me forget. I'm gonna throw my glove here, okay? Don't let me forget, okay? Please. He got hit. Dude, I can just rush him right now. As soon as I say that. Dude, I'm gonna go to the shed, okay? Dude, I'm gonna go to that shed, okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, run.
You can cover me. Can you cover me? Okay, you take my position. My spot. Huh?
What are we playing?
I don't know.
What is that? Things like the Josh Crowd.
Okay, ready? Just cover me. Just say two. Say two, ready? No! God. Cover me! Don't actually say two. They're running! Did they just all give up? Hey Trevor, I'm gonna run to that bale thing, okay? I'm gonna run to the junk pile. Okay? Trevor, just take some shots out there, okay? That'd be great. Yeah, but they don't call their hits. It's unlimited hits, apparently. still playing? Are we still playing? Guys, are we still playing? Because I think I just kicked their butt about 100,000 times.
Yeah, I shot everything.
Yes, I hit every